Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to take screenshot without touching the Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So without touching the Android smartphone, it's really by default not possible firstly, but still by using our application you can do such tricks. So for this, what you need to do is just go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Proximity Screenshot Capture. Just search this application, and on the first list you can see here Proximity Screenshot Capture. Just tap on it and just tap on install to install this application. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading and installing is done. So finally the application has been installed, so just tap on open. Now on opening the applications, they will be shown different types of options. So just you can see on the first list screenshot capture, just enable this. Now click on allow, click on start now. So now it will show you, just tap on proximity sensor to take a screenshot. So you can click on OK. Now you can see here it's running in the background now. So if you want to take a screenshot, just put your finger on the proximity sensor. So in my case, the proximity sensor is located on the left side at the top, just near to the speaker. So you will get some vibration. So you can see here the screenshot capture. So you can just click on show to preview the screenshot capture. So you can see here. So using this applications, you can take a screenshots without touching the Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this very cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.